Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this session, we are going to start by learning tuple in Python. Basically, what is a tuple? Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. So we have learned list in our last class where we use the list to store multiple values in a single variable. Tuple is also the same that it stores multiple value into the single variable, but there are few rules that we need to follow while we store the values inside the tuple. First of all, let's see how we can declare items in tuple. So over here, I'm writing my code. I'm going to write, for example, that my project variable name is this tuple, or you can name anything of your choice. Right now, if I want to explain tuple, I have to give a small bracket because we use square bracket for list and small bracket for tuple. I'm going to write one by one all the items inside this list. Every item should be inside the double quotes. That's what we call speech marks. And I'm going to just keep the items inside it with the comma separated values. So I will write here cherry. Now, if I want to print this tuple, I would be writing print and I will write the name of the variable inside it, which is this tuple, and I'll run my code. Once I do so, you can see the output is coming absolutely fine, which is apple, banana, and cherry. Now let's see the next part, that how I can access any value in tuple. So if I want to access any value in tuple, I again have to use index value. If you remember in the last class, we have discussed this, that if I have three items in my list and it starts like apple, mango, banana. So this apple is my first item. But if I say index value, the index value of the first value in the particular tuple or maybe the list would be 0. So it always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. If I want to access any item inside the tuple, how I have to do it? For example, here, I need to access, suppose, the banana, right? So according to me, but banana is 2. But if I have to use the index value, that means apple is 0 and banana is 1. So let's see how can I do that. So I will be using here print. Then I'm going to print this tuple. And then I'm going to write in square bracket 1. Okay. Now when I run my code and I see that it printed banana for me. Okay. So this is how I can access any element from the tuple. The next we have to see that it is unchangeable, that you cannot change the value of any of the value of tuple. For example, if I want to change this banana, okay, I cannot change it. I cannot change it. It cannot be changed. It will start giving me error. So, for example, we can see it also. For example, if I say this tuple and I want the value of this tuple, which is banana, which is 1 basically. And if I want to change it into, suppose, mango, and now I want to print this tuple. So, it will start giving me error because it's unchangeable. It cannot change the value. See, it starts saying tuple does not support item size. So, but it is not the case in list. For example, if I just make it a square bracket, it will treat it as a list. But in a list, when I want to change anything, see, it changes for me. So that's, I hope you could understand that how it is identifying between tuple and the list. Now the next part we will see that it allows duplicacy. So in list also we have seen that we can do duplicate, like 2 or more items can be similar. We can use duplicate. Here also we can do duplicate. So we can try this out. Like for example, if I write cherry and in this I add banana also. Again, so I have to write it in double quotes. A. And now I want to print this. Let's print this tuple. I'll remove it here. This line also I remove. And now I want to print. So just see it's allowed that because banana is coming 2 times and it's showing me that. So with this, we have learned few concept of tuple. If you have some more queries, because there are a lot of other things also related to tuples, but that is again a little deep down if I want to go through. So if you need a little bit more deep on tuple, do let me write down in the comment section. I will make a separate video for that. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos of this Python series, because such new things are coming in future. For example, I will be discussing dictionary. I'm going to discuss some more list items set in future classes. So do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for supporting. Thank you, everyone. See you all in the next one.